Good morning. Welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this presentation, we are going to discuss how you should have applied our simple day trading strategy to gain success in day trading. Yesterday, we had a very detailed video explanation. Please go to our website if you had missed, or if you are a new visitor, please go to our website and see that. Since we had added a few more technical indicators and tools to make this a very great success, this strategy. So now, as you all know, whenever I place the cursor on any candlestick, you can see the date and time below. You can see this long, very big ash color candlestick that indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened somewhere around 6300s, but you would have seen the LTP here. So I am going to increase the scale. As you all know that our trading platform is designed to produce signals. So we had explained you many times that whenever the market spikes up, just wait. Since we had included a new technical channel, what we explained yesterday, if there is any spike up price opening or gap up, you can call it as a gap up or gap down price opening, wait for this upper channel. So you know this black color upper channel will be following that. Wait for the price to touch the upper channel, then you can go into a trade. So now you are waiting for the price to come and test the upper channel, but when the price is coming and testing the upper channel, it shows a ash color, which means the market is going to be neutral. Only if it is in blue color, when the price is testing the upper channel, you can enter into the trade. See, if you keep following our video presentation, day by day we are clarifying all your doubts in various situations and scenarios. So here is the point. So when the price testing the upper channel, it should be in blue color, which indicates that the price is likely to move up. Now it is showing an ash color, which shows that the market is going to be neutral. So there is no point in going and buying when the price is testing the upper channel. So we are going to leave it, because we know after a great spiked up price opening how the market is going to react. There will be some profit taking, so we are going to leave it and we are going to wait for it. So as we had told you earlier, whenever the price, if you get any indication within this channel, you are not going to take it. Indication should come above or below the channel. That is indication. What I mean by indication, that is the signal. So here the market had provided you a sell signal. Normally we would have gone for the sell signal if we were trading earlier, like what we were applying a simple rule, like what we were trading few days before. We would have gone for this, but we made it very clear that if the price is staying above this green color moving average line, you should not enter into any sell signal. So you are always going to stay with the buy. You are the buy only guy if the price is staying above the green moving average line. So I am going to leave it. It depends upon the traders to make their decision. If you want to take that risk, there are few traders, they have asked me this question, that anyhow, if I want to take my risk, what should I do? I want to lead the market. It depends upon the individual. We made it very clear, don't go for it. If you want to go for it, for risk takers, so have the upper band as your stop loss. Very simple. If you want to risk anything on this type of occasion, have the upper band. You can see this upper band price here on the left hand side of the scale, right hand side of the scale, 6354. So you can always see this upper band and the lower band price visible in the right hand side. You can see here. So make use of that if you want to take risk, but our sincere and our rules say don't go for it. Now we are going to leave this signal, since it is not in our rule book, but anyhow it would have provided some profit. We don't bother about that. We will be sticking on to the rules. The rule number 1, the price should we are only buy only guy if the price is above, and sell only guy if the price is below the moving average line. So exactly it came down. Sometimes it would have provided you profit, like what happened here, but most of the times it may hurt. So here you can see the price is approaching this line, our key trend moving average line. It indicates your trend. It's very powerful line. If you keep on watching our charting platform, and if you keep on watching our presentation, you may know that you will come to know how powerful is this line. So now the price is not moving up, so it's coming down, coming around, and it had provided us a sell indication. We can take this as a valuable indication, what like how we do earlier, because the price is staying below the green line, and the price we had it had provided me an indication below the lower band. I can consider this as a very valuable indication. And what I do, look at the length of the price, and approximately to half the length of the price. Here I am not using half the length of the price because this is very tiny candlestick, so I should be very generous in doing this activity. So here I will be placing my entry point, my stop loss. As you know that here this is a very tiny stop loss. So what I will do is that normally at the previous high, I will be looking at the previous color candlestick. Here I will be placing my stop loss. So here I will be placing my stop loss here. See how I had placed my stop loss. So after placing my stop loss, I will be waiting whether I am into this trade or not. So I am not still I am not into this trade. The market is providing me a bounce back, so it is entering into the key zone within the band. It is giving me an indication that something is going to be neutral, because everything is in ash color after this red color signal. So I will be waiting for it. See, almost my stop loss would have been triggered here, but as we had told you very clearly, only if after entering into the trade, which means that after your trade got triggered, place your stop loss. Don't be in a hurry. See, this is a false signal. So we had identified a false signal here. So I'll be waiting for the next signal. Now we have got a very valuable signal, which means that the signal, we got a signal above the green line and above the upper band. It satisfies everything. So what I'll do is that look at the length of the candlestick, approximately to half the length of the candlestick, and what I can do is that below the previous color candlestick, I can place my stop loss. So initially what I'll be doing is that I'll be doing the same thing. Now I had told you how you should trail your stop loss. Why we are using this band? So here we are into the trade. Here we entered into the trade. So how you should trail your stop loss? Which means that you can, once you are into the trade, you can use this lower band as your stop loss. If you see this, now the lower band shows an indication of 6332, which is just below the earlier stop loss which you had marked. Normally we use this as a stop loss, but when the price is moving up, this band keeps moving up. You can see this band, the price is the lower band now has crossed our stop loss zone. Here you can see the price is moving. Now what you should do is that you should modify your stop loss according to the lower band if you want to make use of the trend. So this is the reason why we had introduced this channel. Many of our clients have asked us, see, if I get any valuable indication, how can I run my profit? This is the one way of running your profit. Once you are in the trend, once you have picked up a beautiful entry, now you are going to trail your stop loss like how I am showing. So you can modify your stop loss according to the lower band. See, always the lower band price is available. So if there is any big price action, you can see that now still the price crosses the lower band, you can hold your position. That depends upon the individual. Always we say that fixing your target, that is after entering, fixing your profit target depends upon the available fund you have in your trading account, and depends upon your trading plan. What is the target for your day? What is the plan for your day? So based upon that you can do that. As we are told, we had informed you, we have one-to-one individual training session. Here still the price has not break the lower band, still you will be into this. Here you may note it, we got a red signal within the band. Whatever it is within the band, we are not going to consider that. So we will be avoiding it. Normally what we would have done that is that we would have placed our order here, and it would have been into the trade, and our stops would have been triggered. Now we had avoided this by using these type of technical tools. So here still we are into this trend. See, the price has not broken this lower band. So if you are following this type of principle to make use of the trend completely, you may know that continuously the price is going up. Still it has not broken the, here you would have gone out, slightly it had broken your band, here you would have been stopped out. So this is one best way to trail your stop loss. So initially your stop loss, you may see that your stop loss is a bit higher. Then once you are into a very good entry, this channel can guide you to make maximum profit. This is the one reason, based upon all your requests, we had modified this. Day and day we are receiving hundreds of requests from our clients all over India stating what they want. So we are doing our best to make this strategy a great success. Already it is a very good strategy, but we don't want a good strategy, we want a great strategy. So this is one way. Here we know that all the signals are provided within this band. So by our rules and regulations, we don't go for a trade here. Even if it is coming down below, we don't want to enter into the trade, because our first rule says that you should be a buy only guy. That is, you should go for only buy if the price is staying above the green line. So we will be not risking it. So we will wait for this another entry, valuable buy entry alone. So now you got a valuable buy entry. See, look at the length of the candlestick like normally we do, and place your entry point approximately to half the length of the candlestick and wait for it. Now you know that this stop loss zone, here your stop loss can be just below this area. We know that this is going to be a huge stop loss, and we had already told you how you should minimize this stop loss. Few of you may ask me this question that we don't want to confuse you much by saying more things, more inputs, but very few have asked this question. As a follower, we should answer your question also. So whether I can enter into the trade if the price is moving just above the band, upper band. See, if I want to enter into any trade like so I need not wait for a price to move up like this after missing some 5-10 points. Whether I can enter into this band, yes, it is depends upon your risk taking ability, but your stop loss should be always the lower band. You should maintain the stop loss. Here you would have been into the trade, as we had told you a strategy that how you should minimize your stop loss. Wait for the price to enter into the trade, but don't place order, then it will give you a pull down, then you can pick the call. So here you would have been into another big profit. So yesterday I think most of you would have made a lot by using this simple strategy and our detailed video presentation. We want to remind you by saying one thing, that we have another video presentation which gives you the total outlook without any indicators, total outlook of the crude oil market. That is also available in our website and also in our YouTube channel. So see, this is one best way of making profit. We had made this very simple. So we have, if you continuously follow our presentation, now you would have identified how we had included these two tools to make this strategy a great trading strategy. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session today. Make use of this, and we want to remind you, if you are our follower, please try to open a trading account with us. So soon you will get all these charting platform free, and account opening charge is also free, low brokerage, and we have a lot more stuffs here. So kindly open a trading account with us if you are not our client yet. So thanks a lot for watching our video. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.